Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide text in Microsoft Word. Hiding text in Microsoft Word allows you to keep sensitive information or notes hidden from view without deleting them, ensuring privacy and flexibility when editing or printing documents. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Word document and select the text that you want to hide. Now right-click on the highlighted text and select Font from the menu. In the pop-up, make sure Font tab is selected, and in Effects section, check the box next to Hidden. Now click on OK, and just like that, the text disappears. But don't worry, it's still there. You have just hidden it from view. Now to see the hidden text again, click on the Home tab in the Word ribbon, and then click on Show and Hide button in the Paragraph section. So click on it. As you can see, the text is visible again. If you want to make the text permanently visible again, select the hidden text, open the font dialog box like we did earlier, and simply uncheck the hidden box. Now click on OK. And that's it. Hiding and revealing text in Microsoft Word is that simple. Thanks for watching.